For this really easy recipe, I will need only these few ingredients. First of all, we need to cut this pork neck into 1.5 centimeters thick slices. Now we're gonna marinate this pork. When it's full cover with spices, let it rest for 2 hours in a fridge. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut some onions into the feathers. Now when it's done, preheat your oven into 200 degrees. After 2 hours, we're gonna fry this meat in a pan for 1 minute in each side. Grab your baking dish and we're gonna do layers. So first of all, some oil, onion and ketchup and our pork neck. Cover this with onion and ketchup. And now we're gonna cover it with Coca-Cola. After this, it goes to the oven for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna do mashed potatoes. So peel it, cut it, and boil it. Add some generous pinch of salt and cover it with cold water. And boil them until they're done. In another pot, preheat some milk. After 30 minutes, cover it with top of baking pot. Reduce the heat to 175 and bake it for 1.5 to 2 hours. When potatoes are done, we need to smash them. Add some butter and your warm milk. And now mashed potatoes are done.